Hey folks, Josh here with Presidio Advisors. I work with millennials who have equity comp, and the question that we're answering today is, am I going to owe more tax on the RSUs that I had vest or the cash bonus that I received from this past year come April? And the answer is, unfortunately, there's a good chance that you might. The reason for this is that when you get a cash bonus or an RSU, your company withholds a certain amount of tax. They withhold it at the supplemental wage rate. And what's unique about this, or what's important here, is that the supplemental wage rate is default 22%. It's a flat 22% rate, regardless of what your income tax bracket is. However, RSUs and bonuses, they're not taxed necessarily at the supplemental wage rate unless your marginal income tax bracket is 22%. So what this means is that if you are in the 24 or the 32 or the 35 or 37% tax bracket, your RSUs and cash bonuses are taxed at that rate. But your company has only withheld at the 22% rate, which means that you're going to have a liability come April that you need to pay. And so this is not something that your company is not at fault for this, because this is just what the IRS tells them to default to, which is the 22% flat supplemental wage rate. So a couple things that you need to be aware of and some things that you need to actually do. One is that if this under withholding is significant enough, you might owe a penalty to the IRS. So you'll want to talk to your financial advisor about what that may look like and ways to remedy that. And there are also a couple of ways that you can do this, or that you can be proactive about paying the actual amount of tax that you are going to owe at the end of the year and avoiding a penalty. One is that you can make estimated quarterly payments to the IRS. And then the second is a lot of tech companies will actually allow their employees to increase their federal withholding tax rate so that it is greater than the 22%, so that they are actually, they, as in the company, are withholding the proper amount that you will owe at the end of the year, and thus you will avoid a liability come April. So wanted to bring this to your attention. I hope this helps. Good luck to you, and let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me, Josh, at presidioadvisorsllc.com. That's my email, or my website is presidioadvisorsllc.com. Thanks and good luck.